Alright guys, so I want to show you today on how to use psychological levels. Now listen, when you plot psychological levels and the market come to your psychological level and refuses to break above it or break below it, it then means that the market is willing at this point to change. For instance, if you are willing to sell the market and the market come close to your psychological level and didn't break above your psychological level, it then means that that psychological level will likely hold. For instance, let's look at this. We'll take some tests and see. So let's look at this. This is a psychological level, all right. But the market came close to this psychological level, all right. This is a psychological level of 130. The market came close to this psychological level, and then what we saw was a bearish engulfer, which was a sign that we are not willing to buy this guy above that psychological level. So the market decided to push down, all right. So the market pushed down, came to this psychological level, all right. This is a psychological level, the 125 psychological level. Now the market came there. What did we see? The market pushed down below a bit the psychological level and kept closing above the psychological level, We saw a bullish engulfer above the psychological level, which pushed the market a bit up, all right. Now let's look at this. Now let's proceed. Let's go down. All right, so you can see this was a move to the downside, all right. This was a move to the downside. This was a move to the downside. What did you see? The market came close to the 115 psychological level but refused to break below it, and then we saw an engulfer, bullish engulfer, and that the rest is history. The market decides to push up. Let's go. Now look at this. There's another psychological level here, all right. Let's go. Now this is a level, another psychological level, sorry. It's another psychological level. What did we see? The market came close to a psychological level, all right. Psychological level. What did we see? Then there was rejection around the psychological. Look at all of this rejection on the psychological level. What did we see? We saw a bullish engulfer, and then the rest is history. The market pushed all the way up to this side, all right. So let's proceed and see more. Now look at this. Let's look at this. Now, the market came to this psychological level. Look at this. The market came to this psychological level, broke it, and then we began to see candles printing below the psychological level. So what happened? Then there was a pullback to the upside. What that indicates and showed is that we are still interested in taking this guy down to any price below the psychological level. And what did you see? The rest was history. The market pushed all the way down to this point. Do you see? Now let's go. All right, let's go. Okay, all right. Look at this. This is another psychological level, the 140 psychological level. All right.